Ta leke nye census per program so leke mi college.
Census alikonya census every 10 years every country alo do see do o hename every 10 good years so that wanya ame ma ole do ame census better census it's all about population and housing census better population america am no here really a whole here eta better census better mi apɛ dirurua alo mi apɛ Ghana tɔ bɛtɛ o diru mi nya ame o pete le Ghana me o nya ɛhɔ mɔ le Ghana me ɛhɔ type ka le Ghana me ɛta mi le ano census wɔ census pete mostly ya Red Bank alo other world ekia organization tɔ wa o dina census for information ya so that mi nya ame ma o le edu eke me. So in the end of the year, in the whole world, the whole world, there's this kind of number of people we have in the world. For instance, we have almost like 3 billion or 3 trillion of people in the world, which China to Suba, India to Suba. But every 10 years, I'm a kaole year came. Makaoku, Makaochole, so that we are now total pretty over the sessions, and that's the reason why we are successful.
Ta enia normally abale na blea jinwa de le alo fa de le o ko wonia alo no ko choku no mko.
Wow. So we are supposed to do something last year because of COVID. Because census every 10 good years on a census. And ever doji last year, December me no census. But because of COVID penyata, we was census. Ata never dilua e cover go. This time it can be was census. Ata census pure daily over a census. Every 10 good years. I remember better I was part of them. Ask me 10 years ago. Me back here me nepa area nye alaju tama ogara peme wa hia me opete first time we use na paper ngona me open college ka fi akoy computer ji wa scan ka fi na tama opete ba fifie I can say that it's about tablets o confirmation ko dejiku o send ko yi o hia me opete easy
Ka fi mi ajegoma ona mi hehada be training ada lo no ko lo amoko call coin a foot.
As at last year, last 2012, almost like May, and over a more better, or never better with the school didn't go, no qualifier, wow. At a never apply online. We apply online, and over the method. That so, Tamame. Cafe never thought corona issues but that over now we very relaxed. We went to some procedure there. That's all you mean. We fill the form online. You send online because formally we call letter for your office. Cafe one more call. Cafe one yo cover interview. By the time around because of COVID, at all we cover later one over me. Me buy interview. Let me pass assembly officer and me buy interview. Cafe over tiami. Second, o tell me over come call you school them call Harvard College. And over them he. Almost 11 days.
Ebe o call you cover Harvard near college. You over na me he. For how many days?
11 days.
Okay. That 11 days I'm going to job.
11 days I'm better. I been 12 days. I near time but I'm about me tablets. Me adbala. You see no me call food. Mostly because of this time of the month me chidana kaba. But one me jacket, one me cap, one me t-shirt, so that one me ID card. E ma fie better o pele South Service 20 because of aleke here me vazua is about corruption I'm a fifi to anuta on me identity card there but you are perfect ma wa ho
ta be ka gba kwen bi go ma jege
one na jagom eto that's Sunday at 13th of June. 13th of June. Never me a chalk. I found a messiade. And a number of a horsiade. Me a get a home. Me get a home chair. Me a beer. I'm your pretty a home better. I'm in no left home. But I call list open call me tabetaji. But the main event is on 27th of June. 27th June, on a census night, I pay for 4 men. It's 27th census night. And Mamma, I'll be a mere penco from a mere show, educational background. None year, never known about the edge before, if then LSC. A Dokawana, 12 facets or bar. And now should bowl me because at 5th year, let me take this topic toilet facility. Or you are me up a Zungo Doma for Dwell of a firm at one yellow over me, Obleco, got me at information mount near Biawa and open a good time at the distance is very dedicated. And also water wastage. Also, open what's at your they just put water inside a pan and throw it away. But yeah, how can I 11 days, we tackled permanent near this thing, toilet facility. Now, toilet facility, only better. A permanent Maima, toilet Kaoina. Is it KVIP toilet? Hello, normal WC toilet, one flash coil, septic tank, alone mount home. And also, why you feel that they don't have toilet facility. At 1 year, couple of rubber men, or black, but because of this census, if you are able to get this data, at this area, only toilet, this area, 1 year na this facility mostly. At this census, at Permian, second, never drainage system. I'm not call it water pipe come from the point that got them. I'm not all Lucian are here to but this census match and a man if we are doing it there now, so we can do those things. So census is more detailed. Second is about fertility issues. Not bro. Okay, no, I'm over OGV. I'm not over miscarriage. I'm OG. If you marry you, so I can't now people in the past few years, Mamma, I'm cool. That's a very broad issue and it's apparently that's why I get the apparently.
If you compare this year per census plus last 11 years per census, 10 years ago, to truck away the problem ever. In terms of data collection,
as compared to last 10 years, last 10 years, paper, a book,
okay.
But because of technology, me tablet example. Onyabeta o because tablet, we know your payment comment. Why GPS? GPS map better about numerator about sense of amema about at this time around government will get or me accurate information because of Aleke Dalia. It's all about computer. Me la be first ma attend a permit ko ano na dey feel couple belamo. No. This time first is very accurate.
Data ka khogami na fialo data hombi le fia. What's the call political issues alo nuka konzanga kowe attack afima nwa
okay the take me wa it's not about for no political party that can do it it can bo anna government ma in the power anna better afie kilabe alaju ole nya hia me better ole afodidi anna better new town open road bo open drainage system me no at a time so open a flood the fuma. This one was particularly better. Government to process that too. Mostly, these things are done by international bodies. So that one population. One, every government need this census. For instance, first area I was sent to I, but we are a sub-metro under EMA. but because of miape a population ma ata ajurure ke pabata mi lulu ata edemi la le eyameme o wo mi Accra Metro we can omanami district o na mi Accra Metropolitan Accra municipal assembly o municipal assembly bo o wo mi because of pabata mi lulu. So this population is bon atana miatma divide miape town into municipal districts. So that we can also have our own MMDCO, different assembly so that our time miape need those society.
Okay. Ta this census jawa manye political ni adake o akadata anya company so government ahia na masia mahia ne okay akọ for plan so plan development ni o okay ta yaka mi apa publicity alaka na kwe publicity that thing
menu ko because I expect better media houses only at least Peace FM Joy FM and you must have Joy FM pa your first station the kaima but me set up better over advert the station ma at least Joy FM Peace FM oh yeah far but me set better over okay advert the go even come me GTV come on advert the go but me ato e wo ba training ya o bon va ma me me have flyers me have stickers le me have podo mo but if better la best sense of talk pas better over advert de la fida ablo mo advert the go mo publicity very low to our understanding.
Okay, Akpa.